Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can fix this problem not working. So you're just going to type in other users here, and you're just going to add an account to your Microsoft account. You're just going to add in the sign information. If you don't have, you can just select this, and then basically you're going to create a Microsoft account. If that still doesn't work, you're just going to open up command prompt here, and you're just going to type this in. I'm not going to do that because it's going to shut down my PC, but you're just going to put that in, and that should fix it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. And if you have any questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.